Welcome dear students. Today we will discuss back exercise of Unit 6 Prepositions. Page 38 Worksheet 2. Observe the picture and tick the correct option in the following sentences. First of all, look at this picture carefully. According to this picture, you have to tick the correct options. First, the ball is dash the table. Under, below. Which one is correct? Now look at the ball. The ball is under the table. It means the answer under is correct. Second, the basket is dash the table. Now again look at the picture and tell where is the basket. The basket is on the table. It means the answer on is correct. Now page 39, third part. The apples are dash the basket. The apples are in the basket. Number D. The wall clock is dash the calendar and the painting between among. And the wall clock is between the calendar and the painting. Number E. The painting is hanging dash the window, near the window. Number F. There is a computer dash the corner of the room. According to the picture, the computer is in the corner of the room. It means the answer in is correct. Number G. There is a pen stand dash the table. The pen stand is on the table. Dash the computer, beside or behind. The pen stand is beside the computer. Next, there is a shoe rack dash the curtain. There is a shoe rack behind the curtain. The answer behind is correct. Now tick all the options very carefully. Now exercise 2, page 39. Look at the picture carefully and fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions from the 8 box given on the next page. The 8 box means the help box is given on page number 40. But according to this picture, you have to fill the preposition in the given blanks. First, kitten 1 is sitting dash the drawer. Now look at the picture. Where is the kitten 1? The kitten 1 is sitting inside the drawer. Now write it carefully. Now page 40, blank number 2. Kitten 2 is sitting dash the carpet. Kitten 2 is on the carpet, sitting on. Number C. Kitten 3 is sleeping dash the bed, under the bed. According to the picture, you have to fill the correct answers. Number D. Kitten 4 is jumping dash the cushion, over the cushion. Number E. Kitten 5 is sitting dash the table, near the table. Number F. Kitten 6 is running dash a mouse, after a mouse. Number G. Kitten 7 is running dash the bottle of milk, around. Number H. Kitten 8 is sitting dash the television, in front of. Number I. Kitten 9 is looking dash the cookie jar, at. Number J. Kitten 10 is jumping dash the box, out of the box. Now exercise 3. The following sentences have been taken from A2. Nina is the winner from your English reader book. Underline all the prepositions in the given sentences. First, Nina was running ahead of all the participants and just behind her was Medha. And the prepositions are of, behind. Now underline these prepositions. Number B. The chief guest called Nina to the stage and the preposition is to. Next, number C. The girl behind Medha crossed the finishing point and the preposition is behind. Underline the preposition behind. Number D. The spectators sat on chairs around the racing track. In this sentence, there are 2 prepositions, on and around. Now underline these prepositions. Today your homework is revise page 38 to 40 of unit verbs. Thank you and have a nice day.